Iċ-ċimiterju ta' San Lawrenz fil-Birgu li jinsab fuq is-sur ta' Pazan u wieħed mill-eqdem ċimiterji f'Malta u jmur lura għas-sena 1806. U propju f'dan iċ-ċimiterju li wieħed isib il-qabar ta' McSweeney, wieħed minn numru ta' Kattoliċi membri tas-Servizz Ingliżi li ndifnu hawn. McSweeney kien żagħżugħ Irlandiż ta' 22 sena li fl-1837 ingħata l-pina tal-mewt wara li kien akkużat li kkawża l-mewt tal-Korporal James Allen abort l-HMS Rodney. Fl-aħħar jiem f'Malta kien hawn Alan Markland, ex-ġurnalist u riċerkatur li ta' lecture pubbliku fil-Birmula Heritage f'Bormla fejn jida wkoll il-ktieb tiegħu The Reel of the Hanged One, frott snin ta' riċerka li huwa għamel fuq il-każ ta' McSweeney. Dan l-istazzjon tkellem ma' Allen dwar dak li sab fir-riċerka tiegħu.
The story itself has a mystery about it because it would seem that he was hung for things other than the charge which was laid against him.
Jgħidilna li hu rriċerka każi oħra simili fil-Mediterran f'każ minnhom anke taqtil doppju imma li ġew maħfura. Allura għaliex fil-każ ta' Thomas le?
So you look around for answers, and some of the answers are coming into the shape of politics. Malta was having, in the 1830s, was having all kinds of difficulties with the fleet, political difficulties with the Italians, the Spanish wars of succession were going on, and the British were sort of torn between different factions.
Problema oħra li l-Ingliżi seta' kellhom b'Thomas kienet waħda reliġjuża, peress li l-fidi Kattolika Rumana ma kienitx rikonoxxuta uffiċjalment fil-flotta.
So it looks possible, indeed I would say probable, that for some political reason an example had to be set. The Maltese people had to be shown who is boss. So they hung him in Grand Harbour with 10 ships of the line coming from Alexandria and Gibraltar. Like a circus, like a show, like a day out. Well, it was a day of mourning. And thousands of people watched it from the barracas, both barracas, St. Elmo Point, the waterfront, Pinto Wall, all those places to watch this young boy hang. So there was all sorts of things going against him. I tend to say that it boils down to a modern phrase, which is he was in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Snin wara din il-ġrajja, il-qabar ta' McSweeney ġie restawrat u sallum wieħed għadu jsib xema li tinxtel ta' kuljum u numru ta' fjuri impoġġija minn nies li jgħidu laqalaw xi grazzja bl-interċessjoni ta' McSweeney.